Hey everyone, Mitchell from mitchellgould.com, and in today's video we're going to be going over archived audiences, why they get archived or expired, and then how you can go about fixing them. So you may have seen an archived audience or an expired audience in the audience section of LinkedIn Campaign Manager. The reason that those get archived or expired is because they haven't been used in a campaign for some amount of time. So if you built retargeting audiences and didn't use them in the last 30 days in a campaign, then they'll go into the archived status. If you uploaded a company or contact list over 90 days ago, then they can get expired. If your audience is archived, it's not collecting new members in that audience. So it can be, important depending on your strategy. If you have a retargeting strategy, to get those out of the archive status. The way to fix that is there's a few options. You can create a new audience. You can edit the audience, but you have to make a significant change. So you can't just change the name of it. That won't put it back into the active status or the ready status. You have to change, like the URL path if it's a retargeting audience. One option is you can't add it to an active campaign. So maybe you create some retargeting audiences. They got archived, but you have some prospecting campaigns running. You can temporarily add it to that active campaign. And then after about 24, 72 hours, when that audience goes back into the ready status, you can remove them from that campaign. So you can always have an active retargeting campaign going to keep your retargeting list active and avoid them from getting archived. Text ads can be a low-cost option for that. And for company and contact list, you can always re-upload those lists. And those are the main options on how to fix them. So just to kind of recap visually here, you can, if you want to make a significant change for this single image, a retargeting audience for people that engaged with a cold prospecting ad, you could add additional campaign sources for that retargeting audience, and that would put it into the ready status again in build. You could run those text ads. This is just an example of the text ads here. If you run them with the website visits objective, they will get impressions and usually have a low click-through rate, so they won't spend too much. So that can be an option. Or you can add them to an active campaign, go into active campaign, temporarily add them for about 24 hours, and then once they're active, remove them from that campaign, and then they'll have some additional time to not be archived. So those are the options that you can use to resolve an archived or expired list. If you have any questions on that, just put them in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.